Wait, what? If I had to choose. Woo! What's up, guys? Mountaineer Moto cruising with you on the Blue Ridge Parkway on an absolutely beautiful afternoon. I did not know the weather was going to be this nice. And as soon as I got out of work, I was like, yep, on the bike. Today I'm actually going somewhere. Going to go to Mount Mitchell, which is apparently the highest point east of the Mississippi. It's pretty high. Alright, don't wave, I don't care. Also cruising on the old trustworthy steed, the CB500X here. Kind of wanted to get out today. I've been riding on that CRF a lot lately, so wanted to switch it up, a little more speed. I'm trying to kind of hunch down behind this windscreen so you can hear me while I'm traveling. I don't want to go too fast so I don't get all that popping and cracking. Speaking of which, I think the issue with that may have been using two mics and the stereo, using stereo lavalier mics. However, it might still do it because it's still using the same mic. But I think it was just overloading the GoPro with sounds. Also, I filmed a ton last night with my brother-in-law. We went cruising and exploring again. However, for some reason, half the video had audio, half of it didn't. I don't know. I'm doing all kinds of things wrong. I'll never figure it out. I don't know if maybe it's a cheap adapter that I have, or if I didn't have it plugged in enough, or maybe it's, you know, it's inside my helmet, so maybe it's pushing against it where it connects and messing with it, so I might just need to tape it. But that being said, I don't even know if this is working, so I may not be posting this either. Also, on that same note, I know my last three videos that I've posted, I film in 2K, and when it loads onto my laptop, is that a turkey? That is turkey. Oh yeah. Watch for turkey in the parkway. But I noticed the last three videos that I posted are like super blurry, pixelated and blocky, and like I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've read all kinds of things about it, but I'm filming in 2K today. I'm doing something. I'm trying to do just full HD, which is 1080p. Maybe that'll be better. I don't know. I was filming a much higher quality, and when it's on my computer, it's crystal clear. And after I edit it, I use Filmora 10. When I finish with that, I export it back to my computer, re-watch it. It's still crystal clear. So I'm like, all right, we're good to go, and I upload it, and YouTube absolutely jacks it up. And I thought it was maybe the settings I was doing something with. I don't know. But the more I've been reading, the more I think that it's actually YouTube and the codecs that they use. I don't understand it yet, but it does suck because the videos seem so terrible when in actuality they're as clear as your eye sees. I mean, it's crystal clear. But I'm trying 1080p now. We'll see if that works. But anywho, if I keep cruising at this speed, it's going to take me forever to get there, so I got to speed up. And I'm not confident that this mic is going to keep up with the speed. So oh yeah, huge cap. That cracks me up. Anyway, let's roll. It is certainly windy, and I doubt again that this camera is doing this view any justice, but it is phenomenal. Sure. I took several. I don't know if I can get it or not. Yeah, no problem. All right. Wait, what? If I had to choose. All right, gotta go home and get some dinner. Alright everyone, I think that's going to do it for me today. I'm going to go home and have some dinner. But hopefully you like this video also. I'll get this video stuff figured out. Like I said, on my end it looks great. On YouTube's end it looks terrible. But it is what it is. Anywho, I also have apparently forgotten to say, which I just honestly didn't think of it. But if you like these videos, definitely give them a thumbs up and subscribe, especially if you're interested in the Trans-America Trail, because it's going to be a good time. We're going to make it look real good. We're going to have a good time. Or it's going to be terrible. I don't know. No, I'm kidding. But anywho, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.